Hi guys, welcome back. In this particular video we are going to learn about ASCII characters, so what they are and why they are used in computer and computer programming languages. uh, to answer this question, all hard disk store the data in transistor or the magnets. They just read the data in on or off format. So hence we are going to convert each and every keyword that is available on your keyboard into some sort of data, a byte of data, that is 8 zeros and ones, or a byte of data, and we convert that data to zeros and ones. Hence it converts again into on or off state, so that the data is stored in hard drive or hard disk. So that is why we are going to use. So if you want to know what is the ASCII character value of small letter a and capital letter A, so we just wanted to type this line of code and you're pretty much to know what's the ASCII value of particular character. So let's get started. I'm going to save this empty file as ascii.py. Yes, it is saved. So I'm introducing you to two inbuilt keywords to get the ASCII and interconvert the ASCII to character and string to the ASCII. Okay, the first of all, I'm going to print the I'm going to give some number and it is going to return me a character that is human readable. So that keyword is CHR. It accepts only integer values. So CHR and ORD are the two keywords. So first I'm going to use CHR. I'm gonna give a value as 97, and I know that it is 97 is A. Let me save this file. I'll go to my terminal and type Python. I'll call my file name and it is A. I'll go back. I'll say 100. So guess what? A is 97, B, C and D. So there you go. So this is how each and every character has ASCII number. So to reverse this, so you might not know the ASCII value of that particular character, but you wanted to know the ASCII value of that particular character. So to do that, just type ORD and give the string input, that is say capital letter A, and enter, and it is 65. I'm gonna copy the same thing, 65. I'm giving the input to here, that is 65. That is, so 65 print all the ASCII characters available. So just comment this. I'll remove this code. For I in range from 0, say I'll take 100 for now. Let's print all that I inside. Let's have some fun. So for I, if it is 0, 1, 2 up to 99, it's going to get a the string, so decoded value. I'll go to my terminal, be on my desktop. I'll execute the program. So this is how it is. So we got till A, B, C from a lot of spaces, special characters. Let's give 500. Let's see what, yes. As you can see, you're going to get all type of characters available in the computer, and not just English characters. All the characters that is made available for different countries are provided with ASCII. So this is about today's video, guys. Hope you like it. If you need much more information, please ask more and more questions. I'm going to answer each and every one of them. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'm gonna come back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.